to Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
Mine is Andrew.
Today we're in Minecraft Education Edition.
So today I'm going to show you my project that I made called Element Master. So I just got this idea from a comic I read. It's just like
Cool.
Yeah, so there were 3 elements: earth, fire, and water. So you just need to set it to 3. Lightning is right there.
Yeah.
I just saw it. Anyway, so on chat command earth, builder.teleport to 000. So the builder is basically an invisible agent specialized and made for building.
It's literally called Builder.
Yeah, so the builder will teleport to where you are, and then builder will move forward by 1. Builder raise wall from mark with grass of 3. So when it moves forward, wherever it will have a tower of 3 grass blocks, and then it'll do the same thing. So it'll be like a wall, so it can protect you from arrows and stuff.
So you can like make it longer. Over here is just a basic like the foundation.
Yeah, this is 2 by 3. And then on chat command fire, so builder teleport to where you are again. So builder place mark, and then builder trace path from mark with fire. So here you just light a block on fire. You will also get on fire. So eat a golden apple, or
if you're in survival.
Yeah, or just let it be. And
let it be.
And you can set the mobs that are chasing you on fire. So make sure you don't get put fire to the grass blocks around you. Okay, then on chat command water, it'll builder teleport to 000, and then builder place mark and builder trace path from mark with water. So it's basically the same thing as fire, but here even
just
if you
place elements.
Yeah, if you place 1 block of water, it'll spread out so it can like get you and the mobs different directions, so they can be farther from you.
But I don't only Enderman is going to be bad at water.
Yeah, they'll get damaged. Okay, so now here is Python. So define on chat, it's a function builder.teleport to position 000, builder.place mark, so it'll place the mark, and then it'll make 1 block fire, so this is the fire element, and then player.chat, when you take fire in the chat, it'll run the fire element. And then for the second function, builder teleport to position 000, builder place the mark, and then builder trace path from water, so this is the water element. And then player.chat water on chat 2, so when you take water in the chat, it'll run it. And then finally here is the earth, so the builder will teleport to you, and the builder will move forward and raise a wall of grass blocks 3 blocks high, and then it'll do it 2 times, and then when you type earth in the chat, it'll run. Okay, so now let's do it. Okay, so which one should we do first?
Earth.
Earth.
Fire.
Okay.
Water.
Okay. First,
Nope,
earth.
Oh,
we just glitched and got stuck right in the wall. This is already a pretty tall wall. So this is pretty good. Okay.
so you can like make it longer. Make this code can like you can make it longer by like making a repeat block and like make a wall around the base.
Yeah. So this code can also be used to make a house easily. Okay.
Next is water.
Water.
In that hole. In that hole.
Okay.
Wow. This hole is small.
Fire.
Fire.
Now we're on fire, so I would recommend to move quickly, so we're not getting damaged because we're in creative. Make sure you don't set fire to those players, or, yeah, or like grass blocks and trees and grass. Finally,
except if you want to be very fun.
Yeah.
Look.
Also spread it, and then the enemies will go that way.
Or this way.
Yeah.
Or that way. Or that way.
Yeah. Okay.
Or that way. Or that way. Or that way.
A lot of directions. Okay. So earth counted into water. So if we go here and type earth. So now the water is gone.
Well, look, it's like a photo frame. If you like make it higher and break on water.
Okay, so then fire counters earth. So we're gonna type fire.
It's like rock, paper, scissors.
And then you can set fire to this whole thing. Okay.
But I don't know which one is rock, paper, or scissors.
Yeah. Okay. Then water counters fire.
So the paper casters. Paper casters. Yeah. Rock.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so now it's say
It's a waterfall or water.
you can also do the earth 2 times on top of each other.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
you
I
were
was
falling.
moving because of the water. So you can do earth 2 times and then you can make a super tall. So it's kind of weird because I was moving.
Break these free grass.
Okay.
Now look at that. That's a great expression. Oh, it looks like this is the chimney, and that's
The house.
The house.
Yeah, but
Good.
the chimney's a little bit too
Thick.
thick. Yeah, well, let's make sure there's enough fires here. Fire. Yeah, why put the fire? So we're putting some fire. And then we're putting water.
Wow, that's the free element, except
The
for
fire
it's
went
moving.
out. I'm just gonna do three.
What block is it? Wait, what block has a forever? That's another round.
Yeah.
But this block is not never round. Oh, cool. So, there's a chicken trying to go onto the
Too bad you
water.
can't. Okay,
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.